Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a nice hard candy custom 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. It's a pretty wild looking paint here. It's called Hard Candy Voodoo Purple Flake. And the hard candy bikes, they just have the really big chunks of metal flake under the clear coat. This one's got the big 103-inch fuel-injected V-twin, 6-speed transmission. All the chrome paint is in excellent condition. The bike's got less than 1,000 miles on it. It's got the 2-piece seat, so if you want to go with that soloed out look, all you gotta do is take off the passenger pad. It's even got a little luggage rack built into that seat. Throw a bag back there. See the hard candy seal right there. It's got a good tire on the rear, the wide white walls, the chrome wire wheels. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working properly, and then we give it a professional detail. Got the leather tank bib here. Quick detached windshield, nice and tall, good wind protection. Good tire on the front as well. This one's got ABS brakes and the factory security. Got your fob zip tied right up here. 992 miles exact. Good looking bike, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think it's going to last very long. Get it while you can. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'll be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.